In this video, you will receive a summary of the exercises that Rudolf Steiner presented in a lecture in 1912 under the name of Nervous Conditions in Our Time, so that you can easily integrate them into your everyday life. These exercises teach us to strengthen our memory, improve our mood and well-being, become more mobile in thinking, experience how others see us, handle our wishes more consciously, become secure in making decisions, and judge everyday situations more objectively. The exercises consist of one exercise carried out in everyday life and a corresponding eurythmy exercise. Detailed explanations and demonstrations of the entire series can be found in the videos on eurythmy for you. In the first round, you perform each exercise sequence for 1 to 2 weeks. Once you know the exercises, it is very helpful to integrate them into everyday life in shorter sections. How easy this is, I show you here. If you drop something, briefly memorize the environment. Write individual letters differently than usual. Think something in reverse. Notice the result of an action, what effect it has, and change a habit. Note your little everyday wishes and refrain from one or the other. Make yourself aware of the pros and cons of a decision and decide with your heart. Notice how often you judge and refrain from unnecessary criticism.